Right, we're going to enroll a wireless detector onto the Galaxy system. The first thing you need is an RF portal. Obviously it's wired into the bus and powered, and it's also addressed on the system. And then I need myself a wireless detector, so we're going to use one of these residual ones. And this one in particular comes in two parts. The detector, of course, and a back plate, which is the second tamper. So the first thing you're going to have to do is obviously put a battery in it and enable it. And what we're going to do is just going to close that unit up, close that tamper, and I'm going to put the back plate on, which is a click. And I'm going to leave it for a second, because the first thing we have to do is go and enable the RF portal. So we need to log on as an engineer mode. And it's menu 51 and then 60, RF address. We're going to have to select it because it says disabled here, so we're going to have to enable the first 8 from the RF portal because it supports 24, and so it's now enabled. So we're now going to have to go and program the zone, so it's menu 52. I'm going to change it to RF zones. I'll pick the first RF zone, ready, press enter on there, and we're going to go to menu 11, which is the RF options. And we're going to click on here. We could enter the serial number if we know it, but it's not displayed anywhere. So to do that, you press the start and enter key, and then we have to force a tamper. So we take the back off. And wait. And there we have it. It is forced to tamper. We can now put the back plate back on again, and it's now learned into the system. We can see the signal strength is quite high, obviously, because it's stuck in there. And that's us programmed the detector into the system as a wireless detector. Thank you.